What's up, LWAP family? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am back with another cooking video, guys. I'm super excited because today we are about to be making something so freaking good. Well, I don't even know if it's good because I haven't made it yet, but we know it's going to be good because the ARIE AMORE is making it, guys. But you already read by the title. We are making salmon Alfredo stuffed lasagna rolls. Something around that nature. It's rolled up and it looks good, y'all. I seen it on TikTok and I was like, oh, I'm about to make it. But anyway, guys, as always, before we get into the video, please do take some time to subscribe. Make sure you go ahead and like this video, guys, and leave some comments down below. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Okay, so I want to go over every single thing that I do have. I do have the lasagna already cooked, and what I did was I just placed it in some cold water, and I have it sitting here in the sink. I did cook my salmon already. Guys, when you cook your salmon, just cook it however you like your salmon. Season it the way that you like it. For the purpose of this video, I just wanted it to go ahead and be done. That way we can kind of speed up the process. But it is here and it is ready. I seasoned it with garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of salt, and some seasoning salt. And that is all put on it. And then when I cooked it, I did use like some olive oil and stuff like that. But y'all should already know that. We have our parsley here. We have our spinach. We definitely need to make sure that we have our spinach for the ingredients. Breadcrumbs. I do have some Parmesan cheese as well as the Mexican style blend cheese. I don't know why, but I absolutely love the Mexican cheese. I feel like it gives that little pop to everything. And then this recipe does call for cream cheese. So make sure you have that. I have my cutting board, and this is my little pan that we're going to put everything in, guys. So, yeah, let's just go ahead and let's start putting the ingredients together. Let's go. Okay, so I am going to start off by chopping a little bit of this spinach up, y'all, because it's in full pieces. And I want this to be kind of cut down just a little bit. Y'all, if you hear any noise, y'all know I live in an apartment, y'all. They are extra loud today for some reason, and I'm not sure what's going on, but that's okay, because your girl ain't gonna worry about it. Not in this video, no ma'am. So in here, I went ahead and put like half of the cream cheese, and we are going to, actually, let's just go ahead and add this spinach in here. Boom, bada bang, bada boom. And we are going to add a little bit of breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs is just kind of, kind of smash it together a little bit. And then we are going to add the Parmesan cheese in here, guys. So that's that first part. And then we are just going to smash it and mix it just like that. Y'all, this cream cheese was left out at room temperature, and for some reason, it is still super thick. I could have cooked the spinach. I'm not even going to lie. But, yeah, we ain't gonna worry about it. I don't know. We gonna have to just keep mixing this together like this. So yeah, give me a minute. Let me play with this real quick. We gotta mix it together and make it make sense. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. This was a struggle, but we made it, okay? So that's mixed up pretty good. And then all we gotta do with this salmon, y'all, look, this is just so easy. We just gotta kind of just chop it up just like that. And that's just the easiest part, y'all. Y'all can put some gloves on, use your hands. It really does not matter. I absolutely love salmon. Like, I could just eat this right here. I could probably eat this full slab of salmon right now. No problems. But yeah, so once this kind of gets smashed up good enough to where you can kind of place it onto your lasagna roll, then you are pretty good to go. Yeah, so I did forget to let you know that you do need your Alfredo sauce, but that's okay because we here and we still learning. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat the bottom of this pan with a little bit of Alfredo sauce. That way the lasagna does not stick to the bottom. You can literally use the amount that you see fit for yourself. I'm just gonna do it just like that. And now I'm just gonna kind of place it to the side because technically I don't even need it at this moment. So now we are going to take this and gradually just place that right into the center of this lasagna. I'm going to have to make another mixture, y'all. I definitely know that, but it's a learning process. And just try to smush it down. Ugh, I feel like every time I cook, every ingredients, every freaking recipe I choose to go for is messy. Y'all, I need to just go ahead and get it some gloves. But I think this is good enough. So just place it just like that. Do whatever amount. If you overstuff it, I don't know what's gonna happen, but don't overstuff it, y'all. because you're going to have to roll it up. And then place that salmon. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Y'all, I love salmon. I can't look. When I seen this on TikTok, I was like, ooh, I cannot wait to try this. And that was like 2 weeks ago. And then today I finally decided, okay, we about to go ahead and make it. And I'm super excited about it. And then I think I'm going to go into this cheese. No, not the Mexican. We're going to go into this Parmesan cheese again. And just put a little bit more cheese. The part that I'm most afraid of is the rolling part. So we're about to see if we can roll this. So just kind of take it and roll it like a burrito. Okay. Oh, so far we doing good. Okay. Ooh, yeah. We got this, y'all. I gotta believe in myself sometimes, cause oh yeah, baby, we did that. Let me show y'all. Look at that. Ah! Okay, period. And then just place it right inside of here. Boom. So I'm going to finish out rolling up the rest of these, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. So I'll be right back. Look at that. It looks so good. It looks so good. I don't even think I want to share it with the kids. But y'all, so let's go ahead and finish this off because we have to put this in the oven. So we're going to take that last bit of that Alfredo sauce, and we're just going to drizzle it. Drizzle it, drizzle it. You can do your Alfredo sauce however you see fit. If you want to get canned Alfredo, if you want to make homemade Alfredo sauce, just do whatever you feel is necessary for you in your situation, okay? So I'm not going to be the judge of that one. Place that to the side. I'm going to go in with the last of this Parmesan, okay? And I'm just going to sprinkle that over top. Y'all, this is going to be so good. Just sprinkle it over top. And then we're going to go into this Mexican cheese. Yes, sir. And we are probably about to use the whole bag because I love me some cheese. I like my stuff nice and cheesy, y'all. I like to think I make the best mac and cheese as well. Look at how good that's coming together. I cannot wait until this comes out of the oven. If you are going to try this recipe, let me know down in the comments down below because this is looking amazing. Look, I'm just gonna dump that because why are we trying to be perfect? We're just trying to eat. And y'all, I got the parsley, period. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the parsley on top. The reason why I'm putting the parsley on top is because I need some color, okay? Y'all know parsley really don't be doing nothing. It's just cute and it makes us feel fancy, yeah. But yeah, look at that. All right, guys, we are going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, and we'll be right back. Look at this. Oh my God, it looks so good, y'all. I was going to put one on the plate. Look, I need the extra stuff. The extra cheese, the Alfredo. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm about to just try this really quick. Look at all of that. Oh my God. Y'all, this is still hot. I don't know if I was supposed to let it sit or what, but I don't know. I was just so anxious to kind of go ahead and try it. It's not easy to kind of get apart, but let's just try it. Oh, that is so good. That's good. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah. Y'all gotta try this. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Y'all know when it's good. I just gotta go. Bye, y'all.